Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Rishikul online classes. So, let's continue our previous chapter, a dialogue with Bill Gates, in this module. In the previous modules, we have already discussed about difficult words and about the interview of Bill Gates. So, let's continue the question answer of this chapter in this module. Here is the first question. How was Bill Gates' performance in Lakeside School? He excelled in all subjects, especially mathematics and science. He was also good in drama and English and was taking special interest in computers. Next question is, what did Bill Gates realized after his mother passed away? He realized that he had an obligation to give more of his wealth to charity. So, the next question is, what were the main aims behind setting up the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? The main aim of Bill and Melinda Foundation are to improve the health care and reduce poverty globally. So, here is the next question. The question is, just state the various sectors where Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has been actively involved in India. It works in the area of health, farming, education, and finance. In India, it has focused on maternal, child health, nutrition, and health vaccine and services, immunization, family planning, sanitation, agriculture department, control of diseases, AIDS, and polio eradication. So let's discuss the next question. Mention the various organizations in India that help the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to carry out his work. The foundation works with the central and state government of India, non-profit organizations and community groups, academic institutions and the private sector. How will things improve in the healthcare sector in the next 15 years? It will be related to the upstream science, invent vaccine mainly for diseases like respiratory illness, etc. So now here is the next question. What are the drastic changes that Bill Gates foresees in the field of education in the future? He wishes to create a broad network between the learners, teachers, parents, friends with better quality and more information being available on phone, tablets, etc. It will be more interactive with initial focus on developing the education system of the developing countries. So thank you so much, my dear students. Now we have discussed this chapter in this module. Thank you for watching the video.